Today I'm showing how to make mosaic art for kids. We'll be creating a mosaic out of craft supplies and using a fish puzzle to make a fish mosaic art for kids. Welcome to the Peaceful Play Show. I'm Stephanie Anderson and I show entrepreneurs screen-free ways to entertain their kids. I'm also the creator of Peaceful Play and the Peaceful Play Box, a quarterly subscription box filled with kids' activities. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you know when we create new videos each week. We love this fish parquet puzzle that allows us to create many, many beautiful designs. The pieces fit together and interlock in interesting ways. The fish can be flipped over for interesting different color options. We challenge the kids to create a fish, a pattern, and a project to use mosaic art in different ways. Little kids can use, to do mosaic art, they can use little pieces of tissue paper like this. You can either buy a bunch of assorted colors tissue paper and cut them up, or they also sell these small tissue paper squares that you can just purchase. And then grab some contact paper, some clear contact paper. And what you can do is cut this off and use some painter's tape or masking tape to tape it to a window, sticky side up. And then have your little kids come through and make their own little mosaic with these little tissue paper squares. So that's a really great option for little kids. For older kids, we're gonna try the fish puzzle, and then we're gonna try some other craft supplies that are a little bit more involved. To create a mosaic on your own, you only need to find a bunch of small decorative objects like sequins, rocks, stickers, gems, tissue paper, or shells, and a surface to create your mosaic on. We love these little crystal gems that you can buy online on Amazon, and they come with little self-adhesive stickers with a little back at the back, and so you can just keep pressing them on and you can make beautiful designs with that. We love this fish puzzle. It's a fish parquet puzzle that allows the kids to create things in many different ways, many different designs. So if you're super handy, you can make mosaic stepping stones and get little mosaic pieces you can find at your local craft store or hardware store and put them into, they sell little kits online, or in the store you can get, I think it's like grouting or plaster of Paris, and you put the little chips in and make designs. You can do things outside for your garden. You can make pot holders or stepping stones or things like that. So that's another option too if you're a little bit more handy and want to try your hand at mosaic art. So now you know how to get your kids creating mosaic art at home. If you're looking for more ideas, make sure to check out the guide below. That is a guide to setting up long-lasting play activities for your kids. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and let us know what your favorite mosaic art option is. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you loved this tutorial on how to make mosaic art. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.